Give me a cue, dude. Behind the scenes.
Hey guys, Tom from Optoma here. Today I'm going to go over some of the awesome features and functions of the Nuforce BE Sport4 Bluetooth Sport earbuds. Yep, these guys right here. First things first, let's get them charging. Open the micro USB charging port on the remote and connect the micro USB cable from the remote to a USB charger or a USB port on a computer. When the battery is charging, the LED will be solid red. When charging is complete, it will change to solid blue. The BE Sport4s are IPX5 sweat-proof and water-resistant, but be sure to fully close the charging port before use. A single charge will get you up to 10 hours of playback time, and with the fast charge feature, you can get 2 hours of playback from just a 15-minute charge. Also, while your BE Sport4s are on, you can check your battery level by tapping all 3 buttons on the controller simultaneously.
Full battery.
Super sweet! We're almost ready to pair them to a device, but let's make sure we get the right fit first. The custom spin fit ear tips have a unique design that provides a better fit and better noise isolation than average ear tips. We've also thrown in some ear wings for extra stability, so try them all, move them around a bit, and see which ones feel right and match your level of activity. Alrighty, next thing we should probably do is get our BE Sport4s paired to a device. While the BE Sport4s are powered off, press and hold the power function button for about 6 seconds until the lights alternate flashing blue and red. You will hear
Power on.
Followed by
Pairing mode activated.
Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device and select BE Sport4. Ah, so nice! Now, even though the remote only has 3 buttons, it actually packs in a ton of functions. To answer or end a call, tap the power function button. To decline an incoming call, press and hold the power function button for 2 seconds. To activate Siri or Google Assistant, double-click the power function button. To mute or unmute a call, tap the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously. To play or pause, tap the power function button. For track next, press and hold the volume up button for 2 seconds. And for track previous, press and hold the volume down button for 2 seconds. And that's pretty much the 411 on the BE Sport4 functionality. Stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you'll never miss out on anything we post. And don't forget to visit us at optoma.com. I'm Tom from Optoma. Thanks for hanging out.